Hi everyone, so in today's video I'm just going to be showing you how to reserve a name on the CAC portal. So whether it's a business name or limited company, this is the steps that you should take to reserve a name. So I'm just going to go to my browser and click Corporate Affairs Commission to the website, the main website. What I like to do is I like to go to the main website, and then I'm just going to click the first one, which is Corporate Affairs Commission. Then what I do first is to do a public search. So when you already have your name, what you need to do first to do a public search to check if there's already a name there that exists. So this is a name that the client gave to me. I'm just going to copy it here, and then I'm going to paste it on the browser exactly on the search portal, exactly how it was given to me. In most cases I'd say remove the limited, but in this case I left it just to be sure, so that it will take me to where company is. If it's a business name or an incorporated trustee or a company or a limited partnership, you can click it and it will show. So I clicked on company and this is what it brought out. So you can already see that there are other companies with that name, so but they don't have the other suffix that this particular one has. When you see that it has the same name, you can add something else, maybe the object or what they're supposed to do, just to a bit differentiate it. So this is the second name that the client gave me, and other option also that I added to make it look different from what we already have. You can see that there are other companies here that are showing, but nothing that looks exactly like what I have. So that is my cue to commence the registration. So we're going to click back on the Corporate Affairs Commission website. We're going to click here and then come here and click on the first one that pops up. That it came out of my browser, I don't know why. So what we're going to do is, if you already have your own and if you have your own login details, you can log in. But if you don't, we're just going to come here and do online registration. When you go to online registration, there are different types of registration that you can do, whether you want to register a company or you want to make changes to your company. So we're just going to go straight and click on reservation of name. So you want to click on that, and then after you have clicked on reservation of name, it's going to pop out, and then you're going to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can see the that says new to us. You can sign up and do, but I already have, so I'm just going to use my email. You can use your email. If you have an accredited agent, you can use your number. So I'm just going to show you here how you can sign up. You can see the prompts. You can go and continue if you are already registering, but if not, if you're a non-Nigerian, you can actually do it from outside the country, which is good. So you can either use your phone number or your NIN, which is also good. And then if you have an NIN, you can use it, which has made it easy. So we're just going to go back, and I'm going to put my email, and then we are going to commence putting in the name availability search. So once you put your email, it's going to do a recaptcha, it's just going to go straight and ask for password. If it does that, that's not strange. So I'm just going to go here and see. You're going to see different prompts. I'm going to click new name reservation, and then I'm going to put the classification. If it's a business name, a company, an incorporated trustee, a limited partnership or limited partnership. So it's a company, so I'm just going to click on company, and then specific. If it's a private company limited by shares, if it's an unlimited company, if it is a public company. In this case, we are doing a private company limited by shares. So if it's a company, it should be private company limited by shares. So I'm just going to go copy and paste the first option here that this client has given me. I'm just going to copy it here, and then come here, and then I'm just going to paste it as the first option. You can use limited in full, or you can use LTD, whichever one you feel comfortable with. And then I'm going to come to the second place here, and then I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to go and save and continue. Once I've saved it, and you'll see all the restrictions as to if it's identical. You want to read that very well to be sure that you do the right thing. And then it's going to show you options. Is it name substitution? Is it a new incorporation? This is a new incorporation registration, so we're just going to click the new incorporation. You can leave the second place blank. because it's not asterisk red. So it's just going to show you like a preview of what you've already put. If you note, I used small letters in the second one, but it came out in capital letters. So whatever letters you use is going to come out in capital letters, you know, at the end. And then we're just going to go straight to, so it's going to take you to the payment section here. You're just going to, I'm going to put in my card down here because my card is already saved to my computer. And then I'm just going to click pay the amount. You can see that the amount was written there. And then it's going to take you to the payment platform with the RRR. You want to copy the RRR and save it somewhere just in case. You never know what might happen. Then it's going to I'm going to click soft token. If you have hardware token, that's fine. Click whichever one works for you. Then I'm just going to type the code here, the OTP that was sent to me. I'll type it on this bar here. And once I type that, you can see verify and proceed. I'll just click on that. And then you want to wait for a while here for it to load. Okay, don't be in a hurry to get off this page. Just be patient until you see your transaction was successful. Once you see your transaction successful, also wait, be patient until it takes you to another page. You're going to see down here that you'll be redirected shortly, but just be patient. After, you know, it shows your transaction is successful, you know, you want to take your time and allow it on its own to load you back, you know, to the next page. This is just exactly how you can put in your name availability. Very easy, you know, very straightforward. Let me know in the comment section, like, you know, if you have any question or you experience any difficulty. This page is going to take you back and show you exactly what you've already put in, the proposed name and all the other information. And then you're just going to go to the dashboard here. Make sure you go to your dashboard and check, you know, on the pending, you know, to see if it is actually what you put. Sometimes you may not even see it there. What you need to do is you need to reload the page to be sure that it's there. And once it's if you come back to this page and you don't see pending, you see 0, you want to check your denied or you want to check reserved. In some cases, they'll probably send you an email, but if they don't send you an email and you check back, make sure to check your denied or reserved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.